And Greg Remmenga joins us now for some more free legal advice. Thanks for being here.
Thank you.
Today we're going to discuss the settlement process in personal injury cases, I'm assuming, and how insurance companies sometimes look for you to settle as quick as possible.
Well, whenever you're in an automobile accident, you're going to get a call almost immediately from the insurance company trying to limit the seriousness of the accident and trying to get you to settle as quick as possible.
Okay.
The obvious reason that they're going to try to get you to settle as quick as possible is that it saves them money.
Yeah.
If they don't have a file open, they save money because nobody's working on that file.
Okay.
If they don't have a file open, they don't have to set money aside for the potential settlement, because any money that they have available for your settlement, they have to put in a special account and reserve it for the settlement.
Gotcha.
So it has to be set aside, and they can't use it for their other processes and their other funding.
Okay.
But the main reason is because early in an accident, you don't know how seriously you are injured.
Sure.
You also don't know the extent of your medical bills. It often takes a month or two for you to collect all your medical bills from the accident and be able to fully itemize those and say, here's what my medical bills are.
Okay.
It often takes a month or two for you to know how seriously some of the injuries are. You may not even feel some of the injuries for a month or two. But the insurance company will want you to settle based upon the injuries you can prove at the time you settle.
Right.
If you can't prove the seriousness of the injuries or how badly you're injured, they're going to settle based upon what you can prove.
Okay, that makes sense.
So if you can only prove that you're hurting and that you don't need a surgery, they aren't going to pay you for that potential surgery.
Right.
So you need to resist this until you know how badly you're injured. Do you need the surgery? Can you prove that you need the surgery? If so, wait until you can prove it before you think about settlement. If you settle early, all the risk of all your future medical, all your future pain, everything that happens in the future is going to be your risk because you can't prove it.
Right, and I'm sure that's tempting sometimes for people to maybe want to take the money right away and take care of the immediate costs, but it's better in the long run to wait it out.
For example, a person that's not at the job because they're injured.
Sure.
I need money to live today, so I'm going to accept this settlement. But what about all the time you have after the surgery, all the time you're going to be off because of the injury? You're not protecting yourself against those potentials, so you need to wait until you know how badly you're injured.
All right, that's a good point. All right, thanks so much, Greg. If you have any questions about that or want a free consultation, feel free to contact Greg, and there's the information right there on your screen. We'll be right back after the break.